areas. 4 meters of UTP cable cut, RG45 connector, punching and clipping pliers, cable tester, scissors.
Cut the cable into two parts, one for each cable.
At each end of the cable, cut the coverage at a distance of 4 cm and discover the pairs of twisting wires.
Twister tridents and leave as straining as possible.
The cable wires from left to right according to the indicated standard.
Standard 5, 6, 8, 8. White, green, green, white, orange, blue, blue, white, orange, white, brown, brown.
Strictly cut the X cable in such a way that only 2 meters of cable is left.
Insert the cable into the RG45 connectors with the contacts up to the top.
The crossover cable you multiply at different standard and each end.
For the other end, you repeat the same procedure.
Standard 5, 6, 8B. White, orange, orange, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown.
Insert the cable into the RG45 connector again, with the contacts facing upward onto the knee.
Remove strike out the cable using the clamps, pressing the tool with force, without being excessive.
The cable testing works correctly. They should turn green. The lights of the proper of sequential way.
You must use a standard for both ends, either A or B.